Who is this guy? Who are you? I don't recognize that bike. It's ugly. Just kidding. No bike is ugly. What's going on, YouTube? Today we are headed across the bridge, rolling with the girlfriend today. She's out on her lowrider in that Barracuda silver and chrome. Today we're gonna go meet up with a buddy of mine. His family owns a small engine repair shop. They're kind enough to let us swing on through. Gonna go ahead and take that Bung crash bar I bought like 6 months ago. Been sitting around not doing anything but collecting dust, and we're gonna throw it on. He's got the tools we need, I don't, so we're gonna get to it. But first, we've got about a 30-45 minute, I don't know, something like that ride to get over to him. So let's have some fun. Catch you in a little bit. Lost girlfriend. Oh no. I'm speaking to the YouTubes. I said she came back for us. I was talking about how you don't come with a free refund policy. My money's all gone. Hit it! Oh, Beamer. You ruined it. Can I even call you a Beamer? You don't even run on gasoline. I feel like all electric vehicles should just be put in one category of stupid. I understand like the concept. I get it, and I'm a like a pro environment saving guy. You know what? I want to be able to enjoy this earth as long as I can. At the same time, not really a fan. Electric vehicles, they don't make any sense yet. They can't go anywhere. I understand the hybrid stuff. Hybrid stuff, yeah, you're a step above. You still got some gasoline in there, but electric vehicles, I will believe in an electric vehicle when you could start taking that thing in one of those cross-country race trips that all those taco drivers do. All those guys that drive a taco and put the stupid water snorkel on their trucks, and then they go try and drive from Alaska down to the very tip of South America. Once you get an electric vehicle that could do that, then we're talking. Then, alright. I'll start listening. Until then, no thanks. That sign is buzzed. You go, buddy. You go. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Get your exercise on. I don't care who's exercising. If I see somebody exercising, I'm all about it. It's good for you. Never make fun of an exerciser. That's wrong. Alright, we'll take a left here, see what happens. Ooh, 7th? This might have been too far. Should have taken 5th. Mailman. Mailman. Right, left, clear. Mailman. My grandfather was a mailman. Did that for a long time. Let's see if we can find this place. I think it's to the right. We're gonna guess. Anyways, I guess it's time to tell y'all a little bit about the spot we're going to today. We're gonna go hang out at San Mateo Lawnmower. Hey, here it is. You got any small engine repair needs? Come see my buddy Mike over here at San Mateo Lawnmower. We'll catch you guys when we're finished. Yeah, the peace sign. Do the peace sign again. Pieces. You're probably too far away. Let's try again. Pieces. Okay. Pieces. Catch you later. Alright, here we are. First time throwing a leg over with the Bung crash bar installed. Pulling out of San Mateo Lawnmower right now. Man, I could say first off, I'm really liking the look. Gives it a mean, aggressive look. Something that really attracted me to the Fat Bob in the first place. One of my buddies had a great way of describing it when he took it on a test ride. He said, it looks like something that you need to attach a machine gun to. And me, coming from my military background, that's what I did. Just threw machine guns up on top of Humvees and rolled around. Shoot some stuff, you know. It was alright. So now we're off on a new adventure. Had a little incident while we were at the shop. Girlfriend lost contact. So that leads us to our next destination. Headed to see a nice optometrist. It's actually her optometrist. This is the area we used to live in previously. So a lot of the services that we need are still in this area. So let's go in here. Sure, I could find a spot to weasel us in. Hey, look at this. Bang, bang, right here, babe. And actually, I think it's right here. Doctors. And we're back, internet. We have vision. All right. That's the goodbye. That's not the hello. That's the hello. Good job. All right, we're back, internet. We have vision, and time for us to head back over the bridge. I'm gonna take a different bridge this time. Why not? Well, I'll tell you why. Actually, it's because traffic is garbage today. So we're gonna take San Mateo Bridge instead of Bay Bridge. I'd love to share with y'all some more thoughts about this Bung King crash bar, but we'll just save that for another video. One thing I'm a little nervous about, though, is I have read some people commenting that the lower of the two bars, there's a bottom bar and a top bar. Obviously you can see the top bar pretty well, pretty easily there. But apparently the low bar can do its job, which is slide on the pavement. When you're turning, you get a hard lean angle. So I'm sure that's going to make me just crap my pants the first time it happens. That kind of wraps it up for today's video. So I'm going to sign off, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, stay filthy. Peace.